Muscle cars are known for their classic looks and powerful engines, but their outdated lighting can be less than stellar. Why risk your and your ride's safety when you can update your vehicle with a set of LED headlights from Retrobright? My Cuda here could definitely use an LED upgrade. And with Retrobright, I can double the lighting output for better visibility without having to modify the factory headlight buckets. Since LEDs draw less amperage and they can last nearly 6 times longer than a halogen, I'll be putting less strain on my factory charging system. Today, I'll be installing Retrobright's 7-inch seal beam style housing with the 3000K classic white insert for that factory look. Retrobright has replacement headlamps in the 4x6 and 5x7, as well as the 5.75 and 7-inch round style. They're available in multiple color choices. So whether you're looking for a classic white color or you prefer a more modern white look, we've got you covered. We can also accommodate the European crowd with our yellow lens options. The installation is super easy, and both headlights can be done in under an hour. Begin by removing any bezels or grill pieces that may block your access to the factory headlight retaining ring and screws. Unscrew and remove the factory retaining ring. This will allow you to separate the headlight from the headlight bucket. Remove the factory wiring connector from the back and set the old light off to the side. Go ahead and remove your new Retrobright headlight assembly from the box. Our lights use a standard H4 connector, so if your application uses the same connector and pinout style, there's no need for adapters, splicing, or rewiring. Just plug it into the factory connector and you're done. Position your new Retrobright housing in the headlight bucket and place the factory retaining ring around the light, then secure it with the screws that you removed earlier. Wrap it up by reinstalling any bezels or grill pieces that you may have had to remove to access the headlight assemblies, and repeat for the other side. There's no substitute for safety, so see and be seen with Holley Retrobright headlights. For our complete lineup of LED lighting upgrades and accessories, visit us at holley.com.